Hello and welcome to Yota's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making quince and cranberry sauce. So this is an upgrade from the normal cranberry sauce that you would have. Now I cook it a little more than you would a normal cranberry sauce. So a lot of the cranberries dissolve in this because I want it to cook a little more. It tastes fabulous. It tastes, in my opinion, better than the normal cranberry sauce. It has a lot of spices in it and it enhances the flavor. Quince is an apple or in the apple family, and that's what they believe was the apple in Adam and Eve, the quince. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. I hope you like what you see. Comment, like, and share on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 66. Thank you to all who have subscribed so far. Also like and share. Follow me on Facebook. Facebook, I try to blog. I really do. But sometimes I don't do it every day. But at least once a week I'll write something and I'll share a lot of beautiful things with you, whatever I feel that might be interesting to me, maybe might be interesting to you. So thank you for watching. I'll be back to show you the ingredients for quince and cranberry sauce. Take care. Thank you. Hello and welcome to Yota's Kitchen. Today I am going to be making cranberry quince or Kidoni sauce. So what I did is I combined the Kidoni, which is a sweet that's given to you in Greece when you go visit somebody's home. It's like a tablespoon sweet. And I combine them with cranberry, as in for cranberry sauce. And so, and that's something that's given, let's say on Thanksgiving, next to the turkey. So I just combine them. The quince is going to turn red when it's cooking, or once you start grating it, you're going to see that it's going to turn pink in color. So when you add it with the cranberries, it just kind of blends in. You can't even tell that there's something different in there, but together the flavors come out really nice. And the orange, I'm not going to use the orange. I'm just going to use about 3 inches of the peel, and I'm going to be sticking it into this pot of water, which is 5 cups. And to that, I'm going to be adding 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 2 sticks of cinnamon, and about 15 cloves. And these are whole cloves. And then as the recipe is progressing and it's almost completed, I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And the lemon juice preserves. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll be back when I'm on the next step to show you the progress. Thank you for watching Yota's Kitchen. Have too much flavor. It's not really sweet if you ate it on its own, but it's good when you're cooking with it. So the sugar water is boiling with all these spices. Okay, so I'm back. It has been simmering for about 5 minutes, and I'm getting ready to put my cranberries in there, my whole cranberries. Now make sure that when you are going through the cranberries, you take out any cranberries that have expired. So if they're like starting to go, just get rid of them. Make sure that all the twigs that are on them are out, and then rinse them and let them dry before you add them to the water. So I'm going to just add them to the water. And I am going to just stir them in, and I am just going to let them cook for maybe 10 minutes before I add the quince, and then we'll go from there. And yes, I left the rind in there, and the cinnamon stick and the cloves, which, by the way, smells incredible. It's so good smelling. And you can take them out later. You can fish them out later. But I leave them in because I want the flavors of the spices in this dish. So I will be back when I add the quince, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching Yota's Kitchen. Okay, so it's been simmering on low for about 10 minutes, and as you can see, a lot of the cranberries have cracked open. I don't know if you can see that. And so I'm now getting ready to add the quince or the Kidoni into this mixture. Now I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. And the quince has browned a little bit because it's been out in the open. You can put it in some lemon juice, but then you'd be adding extra water to it. It doesn't matter if it turns brown because you're cooking it. And it's going to turn red in a little bit. And you're not going to ever know that it's been brown. Yeah, so you don't want to put it in. You don't want to put it in lemon water because it would absorb too much water and it would set off the taste of this sauce. So just mix it in. Even though it doesn't seem that it's a lot of water, it is. It's plenty because you don't want it that thick. You don't want it that thin, and the quince is going to give off its own juices because it's a fruit and it has juices, and the cranberries has juice in it too. So I am going to keep it on low and I am going to continue to let it cook until it's done. So I will be back. I'm going to check on it in 10 minutes and see it and taste it, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I'll be back shortly. Thank you for watching Yota's Kitchen. Welcome back to Yota's Kitchen. I'm going to check on my quince and cranberry sauce. As you can see what it looks like, it's been cooking, approximately, I want to say 20 minutes together. And this is the consistency of it. Plenty of juice, not overly juiced and not under juiced. The smell is incredible. I'm just going to taste it to make sure everything's good with the sugar. It is so good. It's time for me to add the lemon juice. So this is to preserve it. And I'm just going to stir it in. And once it's done, I will be taking out all the cloves. But since I see them right now, I will take them out right now. Out as you see them, so nobody eats them by mistake. I'm not worried about ingesting them. I'm more worried about people's teeth, making sure that nobody cracks a tooth on them. So just remove them. And you know, just remember how many you put in there, so you make sure you take all of them out. And this looks almost done to me. I'm just going to let it cook a little more with the lemon juice. The consistency is perfect. You don't want it over juiced or under juiced. This is perfect. There's another clove. So I will be back when the product is done, and I will show you what it looks like. Thank you for watching Yota's Kitchen. Hello and welcome back to Yota's Kitchen. My quince cranberry sauce is done, as you can see, and I just wanted to show you the consistency. It's really thick. It tastes really, really good. Now, if you feel you make it and you feel it's too sweet, just cut down on the sugar by half a cup. As you know, it's 1.5 cups of sugar in this whole thing. But again, if it's too sweet for you, just cut it down by half a cup. And I think that would be perfect if you like it less sweet. But for me, this works because it's a little bit of combination of cranberry sauce and quince sweets, and it's divine. It smells great and it tastes great, and it tastes great cold. So you can have it warm or you can have it cold. Either way, it tastes fantastic. So thank you for watching Yota's Kitchen, and I'll see you soon. Welcome back. As you know, I finished my quince and cranberry sauce, and I showed you the consistency. Here's a nice big bowl of it. It would be wonderful to share at a Thanksgiving meal or any time. It tastes great, cold or hot. I like it either way, but this is what it looks like on a spoon. Not hard to, I don't need to tell you that, I don't believe, but I'm gonna taste it. Even though I had like a little taste just to make sure that there was enough sugar in this. And don't forget to add your lemon juice, because the lemon juice preserves it and prevents it from going bad. So it will keep it for you at least a week, okay? In the refrigerator and sealed really well if you don't eat it in one day. So here goes. I love quince, and the bitterness of the cranberry like pops it. It makes it taste really fantastic. I hope you try this recipe. The orange, you can taste a hint of orange in there. I don't really taste the lemon too much. Maybe I need to have a little bit more to see. It tastes incredible. I hope you make this recipe, and I think you're gonna love it. If you don't love it, it's okay, but I think you're gonna love it. Thank you for watching Yota's Kitchen. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, I would greatly appreciate it, and also follow me on Facebook. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Until next time, thank you for watching Yota's Kitchen. Take care.